Greetings, everyone in the interwebs. Pay close attention. It says the estimated value of all gold ever mined is around 12.3 trillion based on the estimated 201,296 tons of gold. See, the value of all silver ever mined is significantly lower. You got to understand that. Which means that you've got overall about $38 to $39 trillion worth of gold and silver above the ground. Not down in the ground. It doesn't have to be mined out. Above the ground, so you can touch it, smell it, whatever you do with it, in your hand. See those numbers? Then with the combined silver, and then you got the small amounts of platinum and these sort of things, diamonds, about $39 trillion worth of gold and precious metals that you can actually physically put your hand on. Now let's read this page. It says the total amount of fiat currency, that's the paper money, that's the one that's printed. It's not gold, it's not silver. It has precise value, but estimates suggest there is at least 36.8 trillion in what they call narrow money. Physical cash plus checking accounts, and listen to this one, 90.4 trillion in broad money, which includes narrow money plus savings accounts and other easily accessible funds. Funds of fiat, not gold, not silver. Other estimates from 2020 place the value roughly around, look at this, $215 trillion in feot. See, fiat. Can you say fiat? It means phony. F is for phony. So if you've only got around $38 trillion worth of gold and silver in your hand worldwide, and then you've got $215 trillion of fiat, do the math. Do the math on that. And you're going to find out that little fiat, that little dollar bill that you keep in your little account or savings or whatever, that one little dollar, it's worth about 0.1 cents. See, that's how much its real value is, and that's why you can't return to a gold-backed, silver-backed standard. Else, the ounce of gold would have to be worth around 14 to 15, you see, $1,000 per ounce. You get it? Silver would have to be $800-900 an ounce. With both of those combined to equal $215 trillion in fiat. So you've been rooked into thinking that little fiat you got, you call that money, and you've been rooked into thinking that you can go trade that for gold somewhere when you can't. You see, it's not possible. Whether you get that or not, some people are good at math. $215 trillion worth of phony money versus $38 trillion worth of real physical gold and silver in hand. You see? So work it out. You'll figure out why we don't go in the store anymore and use gold coins and silver coins. Why? Because there's simply not enough of it. There's not enough gold and silver that's been mined out of the earth to equal the $215 trillion in fiat currency presently printed. That's worldwide. So, everybody, Have a good day. Zombie 47.